To set up auto tracking on the PTZ through the NVR, we come to the bottom left corner, click on Setup. From Setup, go to AI Setup. Here, we need to go to Pedestrian and Vehicle. Make sure that this switch is turned on, click on Apply, and after that, go into the setup by clicking the gear icon. From here, we set the snap mode. Set the maximum pixel. And everything that we want. You can choose the detection type, either motor vehicle or pedestrian. Set the detection mode, either static or motion. And then click on the link Auto PTZ Tracking switch to turn it on. Don't forget to save your settings. Immediately we saved, you can see it just tracked the vehicle that just passed. We're going to go back to the main menu and try to readjust our PTZ camera so that we can get a more clearer video of the auto tracking working. When we go back to the main menu, we click on the screen, and from here, we click on the fourth icon, which is PTZ, and now we'll navigate around to try to find a vehicle. As you can see, when the vehicles are in the camera view, the camera immediately starts tracking them. This is how to set up PTZ auto tracking through the NVR. I'm just going to go back and turn off auto tracking so we can look at PTZ modes and presets. I'll just turn this off. Save, and we'll go back to our main menu. Now, on our main menu, click on the PTZ icon again. This is the PTZ mode, as you can see. For PTZ cameras, we have 6 other modes. For this mode, we can zoom, increase the speed, focus, and all of that. These are settings we can do for the PTZ mode. To access other modes, we navigate to the mode bar at the top left of the screen, click on it, and select Presets. Here, we can set different presets for our camera. Say, for example, we wanted to set this particular image to be preset 1. We navigate to the part of the screen we want, like I'm doing here. And then click on Add-on number 1, which is preset 1. You can click on the thumbnail to view the different presets you're making. We'll move to this side. Click on this. And click on Add for number 2. This will be the second preset. Now move again. Go to preset 3. Click on Add. This will be the third preset. I'm going to set preset 4. Let's choose this. And click on Add for number 4. This will be the fourth preset. Now, adding one more preset. I'm just going to choose this, and click on Add for number 5. Now we have our 5 presets set. You can click on Start Cruise, and this is going to alternate between the 5 presets we just set. Now we can see that this is on presets 1. I'm just going to close this thumbnail so you can see the name of this preset. As you can see, this is preset 1. After some seconds, it'll navigate and go to preset 2. As you can see here, we're going to preset 2. After a few seconds again, it'll navigate and go to preset 3. Again, it'll navigate to preset 4. We are currently at preset 4. This is how to set up Cruise with presets. We're going to go and try a different PTZ mode. Let's select Watch Mode, for example. We'll leave our time set to 15 seconds. Set the mode to default. And click on Start. Now, the Watch Mode is just going to move around slowly, making a 360-degree rotation, showing everything the camera sees in its view. We'll stop this and go to a different mode. Coming back to the Mode tab, this time around we'll go for Pattern Scan, which is the last option. Here, we can set different patterns and set the cruise for that pattern. Before this, we need to select the track we want to record this movement to before clicking on record. Say, for example, I wanted to do this. I'll go to where I want to start and click on record, using the PTZ controls. We move the camera from the start point to the end point and click on stop record. I am just setting up the directions for track 2 here. This is the beginning. And this is the end. Now when I click on Start Cruise, depending on the track chosen, it'll move back and forth between the start point of that track and its endpoints. This is how to use pattern scan mode on the PTZ.